Hey there, if you're watching this video, chances are you have a dated home that's in dire need of a refresh, but doesn't quite warrant a full-blown remodeling project. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 affordable ways to update a dated home without remodeling. Whether you're a homeowner looking to spruce up your living space, or a renter looking to add some personality to your temporary abode, we've got you covered. From simple and budget-friendly tips to creative DIY hacks, we'll explore a variety of ideas that will transform your space from outdated to outstanding. But before we jump into the good stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our home improvement tips, tricks, and inspiration. Trust us, you won't want to miss what we have in store for you. All right, let's get started on revitalizing your dated home without the hassle of a full-scale remodel. Are you ready to turn your space into a cozy, modern oasis? Let's roll. 10 affordable ways to update a dated home without remodeling. Number 1, add crown molding and update the trim. If you're bored with your existing rooms, there's nothing like wood crown molding and some new trim to add some character. For best results, ensure that you paint the crown molding or trim before installing it. Remember that you may not want to use wood crown molding or trim in an area like a bathroom because it could cause moisture issues. In such cases, PVC crown molding is a better option. Additionally, if you want crown molding with more pizzazz and style in your living room or bedroom, you may want to use plaster. There are also other crown molding materials available, including MDF fiberboard, rubber, and polystyrene foam. Number 2, Revitalize Flooring. Brand new flooring is one of the more expensive upgrades, especially if you've got a large area to cover. But you do have options to refresh the floors you already have. If you have wall-to-wall carpeting, invest in shampooing it, which could cost a few $100s. Also, instead of installing new wood or tile floors, consider refinishing hardwood or reglazing tile, which could cost a fraction of the cost of a new installation. Number 3, renew old flooring with paint. The burgundy red floor in the master bedroom of Sarah and Andrew's Massachusetts farmhouse didn't fit the fresh and energetic personality of the newlyweds. But refinishing wasn't an option on a limited budget. So, to update the space, they painted the floor in a light-checked pattern, using beige and white to warm up their cool blue walls. Here we show how a little measuring and a couple of coats of durable floor paint can add a lot of personality to a room for a small price. See how to paint a floor for full step-by-step instructions. Number 4, give kitchen cabinets a flawless, new finish. Your cave-like kitchen feels that way because the dark cabinets have sucked all the light out of the room. But a brighter makeover doesn't necessarily mean replacing those gloomy boxes with an all-new one. As long as the frames and doors are structurally sound, you can clean them up and brush on some new paint, and within a weekend, take that kitchen from dreary to sunny. All you need is some strong cleaner, sandpaper, a paintbrush, and a little elbow grease. You don't need a lot of money, as the transformation will cost you a fraction of even the cheapest new cabinets. Installing a ceiling fan is relatively simple, especially if the space above is accessible from an attic. However, even when it isn't, the job is still quite doable. Here, we'll show how to replace an old light fixture with a new ceiling fan and light in a room with no attic above. The advantage of this approach is that you don't have to run new wiring. The fan connects to the existing cable from the old light. Number 5, replace kitchen faucet. I'm not sure why I waited so long to do this. I don't think I realized how affordable a nice kitchen faucet can be or how impactful it would be. We replaced our basic kitchen faucet with this one from Amazon. We are going on 2 years with it now, and we still love it. $60, and it's truly such amazing quality. Number 6, add area rugs. This might seem silly to include here, but it's a difference maker. Ugly floors? Add a beautiful area rug. Carpet you hate? Add an area rug. Need it to feel a little cozier? Add an area rug. This is always the answer. I believe that area rugs truly bring a room together and tie everything in. They can really make a space. Number 7, add temporary wallpaper. Removing antiquated wallpaper is one way to update a room, but adding temporary wallpaper is another. These semi-permanent options are simpler to apply than standard wallpaper and can be changed out every now and then for an original look. A boring builder-grade bathroom can become an ornate, Art Deco-inspired powder room, and plain walls can receive a wallpaper treatment to help frame a room in a new light. Number 8, bath vanities. Just like with kitchen cabinets, paint can bring new life to your outdated bathroom vanity. Take a look at this pretty little bathroom makeover. The vanity looks amazing. Number 9, replace old carpet. The typical lifespan of carpet is 10-15 years old, so if your carpet is older than that, it needs to be replaced, period. Before you replace it, take a peek to see if you might be lucky enough to have hardwood floor underneath. Hardwood flooring is not only in style, but it's easier to clean, lasts longer, and doesn't harbor allergens like dust and mites. Discovering hardwood floors under old carpet is like a gift from the home improvement gods. How can you check to see if you've been blessed? Easy, just lift up your floor vent and pull up the carpet a little to see if there is hardwood flooring underneath. If so, you can do a little happy dance and then rip up that nasty old carpet. Number 10, replace outlets, switch plates, and thermostat. Ivory used to be the color of choice for electrical outlets and switches, but now that white has taken over, ivory tends to look old and a little dirty. The good news is that these things are easy to change, and you don't have to be an electrician to do it. Here's an example of a subtle change from ivory to white that makes a difference in the overall look of the room. As for thermostats, not only do older analog thermostats look dated, but their dated technology could be costing you money. You can save quite a bit on energy costs by replacing your old thermostat with a digital, programmable thermostat, and it will look way better. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you never miss out on more for home decor content in the future. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What did you find most valuable in today's video? Let's start a conversation. Until next time, bye, take care.